Oman, a country on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula, is a land where the desert meets the sea. This unique geographical juxtaposition creates a stunning and diverse landscape that is both captivating and intriguing. Bordered by the United Arab Emirates to the northwest, Saudi Arabia to the west and Yemen to the southwest, Oman boasts a coastline stretching over 3,000 kilometers. This extensive coastline has been a lifeline for the country, providing access to vital maritime routes and resources. This strategic location at the mouth of the Persian Gulf has played a pivotal role in shaping Oman's history and culture. The Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important choke points, has seen countless ships pass through its waters, carrying goods and ideas that have influenced Oman for centuries. From ancient maritime trade routes to modern-day geopolitical significance, Oman's connection to the sea has been a constant throughout its long and fascinating past. The traditional dhows that once sailed these waters are a testament to the country's rich seafaring heritage. The country is characterized by its diverse landscape, ranging from towering mountain ranges to vast sandy deserts. This variety in terrain offers a unique blend of natural beauty and ecological diversity. The Hajar Mountains, which run parallel to the northern coast, create a dramatic backdrop to the capital city of Muscat. These mountains are not only visually stunning, but also hold significant historical and cultural importance. These mountains, with their rugged peaks and deep valleys, have provided a natural barrier and a refuge for Omanis throughout history. They have also been a source of inspiration and a symbol of resilience for the people of Oman. In contrast, the Empty Quarter, a vast desert in the south, presents a different kind of beauty, with its endless dunes and scorching temperatures. This harsh environment has shaped the way of life for those who call it home, fostering a culture of endurance and adaptability. Oman's unique geography has not only shaped its physical landscape but also influenced its culture and traditions. The interplay between the desert and the sea has created a rich tapestry of customs and practices that are deeply rooted in the land. The country's strategic location at the crossroads of ancient trade routes brought it into contact with diverse civilizations, leaving an indelible mark on its heritage. This blend of influences is evident in every aspect of Omani life. The blend of Arab, Persian, African and Indian influences is evident in Oman's architecture, cuisine and customs, making it a melting pot of cultures. This cultural diversity is celebrated through various festivals and traditions that continue to thrive. Despite its ancient roots, Oman is a country that embraces modernity while cherishing its heritage. The juxtaposition of modern infrastructure with traditional markets and customs creates a unique and harmonious blend. In recent decades, Oman has witnessed significant development, with modern infrastructure and a thriving economy. The country's progress is evident in its bustling cities and state-of-the-art facilities. However, the country has managed to preserve its cultural identity, with traditional values and customs still deeply ingrained in society. This balance between progress and tradition is what makes Oman truly unique. Oman's history stretches back millennia, with evidence of human settlements dating back to the Stone Age. These early inhabitants left behind a rich tapestry of artifacts and ruins that tell the story of a civilization deeply connected to its environment. The country's strategic location at the crossroads of ancient trade routes connecting Mesopotamia, Persia, India, and East Africa made it a hub for maritime commerce and cultural exchange. This unique position allowed Oman to flourish as a center of trade and interaction between diverse cultures. The ancient Sumerians, known for their advanced civilization, referred to Oman as Magan, a land renowned for its copper and diorite, a hard, durable stone used for sculptures and building. These resources were highly sought after and played a crucial role in the development of early trade networks. One of the most significant periods in Oman's early history was its association with the frankincense trade. This precious resin became a cornerstone of Omani commerce and culture. Frankincense, a fragrant resin extracted from trees found in the southern region of Dhofar, was highly prized in the ancient world. Its unique aroma and medicinal properties made it a valuable commodity across various civilizations. It was used in religious ceremonies, perfumes, and medicines, making it a valuable commodity. The demand for frankincense spurred the growth of extensive trade networks that connected Oman to distant lands. Oman became a major exporter of frankincense, with camel caravans transporting this precious resin across the Arabian Peninsula to the Mediterranean and beyond. These caravans traversed harsh deserts, showcasing the resilience and determination of Omani traders. The wealth generated from the frankincense trade contributed to the prosperity of ancient Omani settlements and left a lasting legacy on the country's culture. This prosperity is evident in the ruins and artifacts that have been uncovered, revealing a society that thrived on trade and innovation. Oman's maritime prowess was not limited to trade. The seafaring skills of its people were legendary. The country's sailors, skilled in navigating the monsoon winds, embarked on long voyages, reaching distant shores across the Indian Ocean. Their expertise in maritime navigation allowed them to establish far-reaching trade connections. They established trading posts and colonies along the coast of East Africa, spreading Omani influence and culture. These outposts became centers of cultural exchange and economic activity, further cementing Oman's role in the ancient world. The legacy of these ancient mariners is still evident in Oman's seafaring traditions, with dhows, traditional wooden boats, continuing to ply the waters of the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. These vessels are a testament to the enduring spirit of Omani sailors and their contributions to maritime history. The 18th century marked a significant turning point in Omani history, a period that would shape the future of the nation for centuries to come. This era saw the emergence of the Al Said dynasty, a ruling family that continues to govern Oman to this very day, maintaining a legacy of stability and progress. In 1744, Ahmad bin Said al-Busaidi, a skilled warrior and leader, expelled the Persians from Oman, uniting the country under his rule. His leadership was marked by strategic brilliance and a vision for a unified Oman. He established Muscat as the capital, transforming it into a bustling center of commerce and governance, and laid the foundations for a powerful and prosperous sultanate that would endure through the ages. His successors continued his legacy, expanding Omani influence across the Indian Ocean and consolidating their power within the Arabian Peninsula. They built a network of forts and trading posts that secured their dominance. Under the Al Said dynasty, Oman entered a golden age of maritime trade and exploration, becoming a key player in the vast and lucrative Indian Ocean trade network. Omani ships armed with cannons and manned by skilled sailors dominated the trade routes of the Indian Ocean, ensuring the safe passage of goods and the expansion of Omani influence. They established trading posts along the coasts of East Africa, India, and Pakistan, creating a vast trading network that brought immense wealth and prosperity to Oman. This network facilitated the exchange of goods, culture, and ideas, enriching Omani society and cementing its place as a major trading power. The Al Said sultans, known for their shrewd diplomacy and military prowess, played a pivotal role in regional politics, maintaining Oman's independence and influence in a turbulent era. Their ability to navigate complex political landscapes was key to their enduring rule. The reign of Sultan Said bin Sultan from 1806 to 1856 marked the zenith of Omani power and influence. His strategic decisions and visionary leadership left an indelible mark on the region. He transferred the Omani capital to Zanzibar, an island off the coast of East Africa, strategically positioning Oman at the heart of the Indian Ocean trade. This move significantly boosted Oman's economic and political clout. Zanzibar under Omani rule became a major center for the clove trade and a hub for the abolition of the slave trade. The island flourished as a melting pot of cultures and commerce. Sultan Said's reign, though prosperous, also witnessed the gradual decline of Omani power in the Gulf region, as British influence grew in the area. Despite this, the legacy of the Al Said dynasty remains a testament to their enduring impact on Omani history. Oman's rich cultural heritage is woven into the fabric of its everyday life. Traditional crafts passed down through generations showcase the skill and artistry of Omani artisans. From the intricate silver jewelry of Nizwa to the hand-woven textiles of Sur, each region of Oman boasts its unique craft traditions. One of the most iconic Omani crafts is the khanjar, a curved silver dagger worn by men as a symbol of status and tradition. The khanjar, with its ornate silverwork and intricate designs, is a testament to the craftsmanship of Omani silversmiths. Omani cuisine is another expression of the country's cultural identity, reflecting its history and geography. Influenced by Arab, Persian, Indian, and East African flavors, Omani food is a delightful blend of spices, aromas, and textures. Dates, a staple food in Oman, are used in both sweet and savory dishes. Shuwa, a slow-cooked lamb dish marinated in a blend of spices and wrapped in banana leaves, is a national favorite. often served during special occasions and celebrations. Coffee, an integral part of Omani hospitality, is served throughout the day, often accompanied by dates and halwa, a sweet, gelatinous dessert. The traditional Omani coffee pot, known as a dala, is a symbol of hospitality and is used to ceremonially serve coffee to guests. The art of preparing and serving Omani coffee is an important part of Omani culture, reflecting the values of hospitality and generosity that are deeply ingrained in Omani society.